Hey everybody, Matthew Morris, MM Wood Studio, and I want to do a quick shop update to bring you guys up to speed about what's been going on since I've last seen you all. So if you've been following me for the past couple of years, you probably know that I, in the first 2 months of the year, spent a bit of time on the road traveling for work and flying all over the country and doing a whole bunch of filming for one of my clients at a whole bunch of their trade shows. And this year was no different. It was a ton of fun. And now I'm here back in Atlanta, home, ready to start doing a lot of work here in the shop. Now I've changed up a couple of things. As you can see, the bench now is in front of the hand tool cabinet instead of being perpendicular to the hand tool cabinet in front of the windows. And I think this just makes for a better shot for YouTube to be able to see me working, talking to you guys, and this beautiful hand tool cabinet behind me. So I'm really loving that. Now, besides this setup here, this change, I've got one more thing to do, which is add an overhead camera rig so I can shoot down on the bench, and that is getting solved tomorrow. I got the jib already. I just got to get the second tripod in. It should be delivered tomorrow. And I've done testing with the tripod I normally use, and everything works great. And I'll be able to have an overhead camera while I'm talking to you guys too. And the reason I want to do that is I have a whole bunch of videos that I've planned out that I want to shoot for YouTube that I think an overhead rig will really be beneficial to explaining what's going on in the actual video itself. Now, besides that, what else has been going on with the school and here in the shop in total? Well, the big thing I did was I concentrated on finishing the plans for the coffee table build and the hand tool cabinet build behind me. It was really big because I need to get those done up for everybody who has either purchased a yearly subscription or an individual project for those two classes. And I can move on to the next class. Before I do that, I'm gonna bang out a whole bunch of videos for YouTube, finish up this other Nakashima inspired dining table or conoid chair for my dining room. Coming here real soon, I'm gonna start shooting a ton of stuff and getting back to regular updates. So let me know what you guys have been up to, what you've done in the beginning of the year for your shop. Did you clean up? Did you buy new tools? Did you build an awesome project? I wanna know. Leave that in the comments below. As always, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button, share your timeline, and head over to the MM Wood Studio page and like us there as well. And as always, have a great week in the shop.